I thought I'd give you an update on my tiny temp tomatoes. I went back to the person who gave me the seeds and asked her why she thought they grew like a bush, and this is what she showed me. She started her tomatoes in the arrow garden just like I did, and they grew very nicely. She also grew basil in her garden, but then after a while she took part of the tiny temp tomatoes and planted them in pots outside, and look at what she got. And this is what her plants look like. Now, once she had planted them in the arrow garden, she took parts of the tomato plant and planted it in containers out in the yard. And you should see what she got from those plants. I've gotten so much encouragement from her to do gardening and to enjoy growing things. And she doesn't let her challenges keep her from gardening because she loves it. And so she encouraged me to do the same thing just by watching her. And her garden comes along very beautifully. This year she didn't feel good, and so she only planted. So I hope that this has encouraged you to enjoy your garden, just like Carol has encouraged me, that no matter what our limitations are, if we really want to do something, we can find ways to do it and enjoy it. And being out in the air and hearing the birds and seeing how God makes everything grow, and without much effort at all on our part, it's worth it. So I've been putting in lots of effort to try to train these bushes to grow tall. And now I realize they're supposed to be bushes, and you're supposed to have to go underneath and get them. So now that I've gotten rid of the worm that was eating them, the other bush is coming along just fine. And I go out in my garden. So now that Carol has shown me that they're going to be bushy, I don't have to worry about them. I can go out every day and enjoy taking care of my bushes and eating, my husband eating the tomatoes, being thankful for the privilege of being able to see all these things grow, and being very thankful for the opportunity to have this time. So thank you for going on this gardening journey with me, and for sharing your time. Have a great day. Okay, there.